In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hubstaff password. Whether you're doing this for enhanced security or because it's simply time for a change, I'll guide you through each step in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar. Type the word Hubstaff and hit Enter. You'll see the official Hubstaff website listed in the search results, so go ahead and click on that. After the Hubstaff homepage loads, the next thing you need to do is sign in. If you have your login details saved, this will be as simple as clicking Sign In and letting your browser autofill those details for you. If not, you'll need to manually enter your email address and current password to access your account. With a successful login, you'll find yourself on the Hubstaff dashboard. Look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking, you're going to notice a drop-down menu appears. This is where you want to select My Account. Now, within the account settings, you'll see various options. What we're looking for here is the Change Password option. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page specifically for updating your password. The first field you'll encounter prompts you to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and ensures your account security throughout the process. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to choose a new one. In the designated field labeled Choose a New Password, type in your desired new password. For added security, it's always a good idea to choose a password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes it more difficult for anyone to guess or crack your password. After you've typed in your new password, you'll see another field for confirmation. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the new password once again to ensure there are no typographical errors. Consistency between these two fields is essential, as this verifies that you've intended to set and save the new password. Finally, to wrap things up, click the Save button. This action will update your password on Hubstaff. Once you receive confirmation that your password has been changed, you'll know that your account is now secured with the new password. I hope this video helped you navigate through the process easily, ensuring your account remains safe. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to change your password again, and thank you for watching.